everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today we have a Cricut mystery box. This is the Sea Glass Treasures mystery box. And if you are seeing this as it is released, chances are that it is still available to purchase. So run, don't walk. Link is below to purchase this. Definitely jump on it if you can. They sell out fast. So I was sent this by Cricut to show you, and I'm super excited to do that. So without further ado, let's see what's inside. Okay, big box this time, and let's get rid of, oops, I bumped the I have no words tonight, I'm sorry. I bumped the camera. Okay, look at all of this stuff in this mystery box. So first up, you get the, what do they call this? A trucker hat. So a very cool hat. You can sublimate on it. You could add vinyl, heat transfer vinyl. So super cool hat. Next we have the scoring stylus. I was just searching for one of these the other day, so look at there. Perfect timing. Then we have a beautiful Cutie. We're going to put that aside and take a look at her afterwards. We have some Cricut, I can't hold today either, heat transfer vinyl. Perfect. You could add this to this. Very pretty sparkly colors. It's a large roll. Look at that. So that is 12 inches by 5 feet of iron-on in silver sparkle. So that is very cool. Then we have silver permanent glossy in 12 by 48 inches. I do love silver. We have a gorgeous tennis balls yellow premium vinyl. There's 12 by 48 of that. And then this stunning holographic iron-on would also look amazing on that hat in the dahlia color. And there's 12 by 24 of that. Then a permanent vinyl in metallic mosaic, 12 by 48. These are squares. Cornflower. So it's like a cornflower blue, but look at the sparkle in that. That's really cool looking. It's almost holographic itself. And then you have some cardstock. So the cardstock is the glitter cardstock classic sampler. So all of these colors. So let's take it out of the box. Let's do that. And then we can see, get rid of that box. Let's see what this looks like. There's a lot of, it's bound at the top. Oh, it's not. So you've got, it's only 3 sides that are together, taped together. So you've got silver, sorry, gold, black, bronze, and silver, and white. Ooh, look at that white. Very pretty. Okay, so the moment you've been waiting for. What color? This is a lot of stuff. Like, that is a huge box. It is access exclusive, so you do have to have Cricut access to purchase it, but definitely a good time to join if you want. So this is a Cricut Cutie in the color True Teal. This is a new color. So let's see how pretty she is. Ooh, look at her. She's gonna look amazing in my collection. So that is the Cricut Cutie in the color True Teal. Gorgeous little girl.